I bought a scam slime for $3.98. They copied a real slime shop's name and design. They topped it off with similar-looking sprinkles and glitters. It came with a seashell which looks real. There was also a dolphin charm. It's really hard to take out of the container. Feels soft and squishy. I thought maybe it could be good, but it's awful. You can't even stretch it without ripping. I wanted to fluff it up and it won't let me. It also smells like bunghole. All the snow powder and sprinkles are falling out. Should I buy the real slime and compare?
What do you rate this slime?